Okay, here's three little examples of boulder opal from central Queensland. Not sure which field it's from. I was told it could have been Winton, but there's no guarantees. I've sliced it down so you've still got the parent rock supporting, but it needs to be ground down a little bit more, cut off to make it into a stone perhaps. This piece, nice coloured veins. This one goes back across here to the outside. This one here comes around there. This one disappears back up underneath the cap. Bit of work to get these into stones. This one's just a little stone on the end there. Doesn't look like there's anything much else in the stone, but mind, sometimes these little nodules can, not promising, but can turn into little bits of matrix type material. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.